Hi there, today I'll be showing you how to get Android 12 Material You style themed icons on any Android. I already have a Material You style clock widget on my home screen. You can get link to download it in the description. I'm using Launcher, but it should work on any launcher. You'll need an app called Themed Icons. What this app does is it creates app shortcuts which derives colors from your currently set wallpaper, just like on Android 12. It also supports third-party icon pack, so you can choose how your icon looks like. I'm choosing Lines icon pack. Now turn the toggle on. You also get some additional settings like more color shades, monochromatic icons, and resize. Now tap Add Shortcuts. Choose apps you wanna keep on your home screen and tap Add Automatically. You will see a small watermark on bottom right corner of the shortcuts you have added, because on Android 8 and above, app shortcuts carry their base app icons as a watermark. For current situation, it's a big mess, but there's a fix. We'll make it invisible by setting a transparent image as its icon. If you're on MIUI or certain Chinese Android skins like 𝗵𝗁 𝗂𝘁, this problem doesn't even exist. So in other cases like stock Android, you would have to download a transparent image. You can download it from the link in description, and you have to set it as themed icons app icon. So now we can see the icon, but it's there. You can hide it to fill its gap. Problem fixed. Now set your home screen the way you like. Now the only thing that is left unthemed is our dock search bar. Now as far as launcher is concerned, it already has some Material You touch-ups, and you can change the color of your dock according to the wallpaper you set. Just open settings, go to search, look for dock color and set it to wallpaper secondary. Now it looks great. The color of icons and widget will keep changing as you change your wallpaper. That was it. I hope you liked this video. So please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more such content.